Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix oops something went wrong error on Ticketmaster full troubleshooting guide. Common causes include security restriction. Active VPNs, proxy servers or privacy features like Apple Private Relay mimic multi-IP behavior triggering anti-bot security blocks. Corrupted data. Outdated or corrupted browser cache and cookies can still active web sessions. Server strain. High web traffic during major ticket drops can cause temporary server-side processing errors. Fix 1. Clear browser cache. Google Chrome. Press Ctrl plus F, then click Delete Browsing History, check cookies and cached images, set the time range to all time and click Clear Data. For Mozilla Firefox, open About config, search for network.http.send referrer header and ensure its integer value is set to 2 the default. Apple Safari. Click Safari in the top menu bar, select Clear History, change the drop down to All History and confirm. Microsoft Edge. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Now select Cookies and Cache Data, set the time frame to all time and click Clear Now. For Android app, open Settings, then go to Apps, find Chase and select Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. Android Chrome, open Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Chrome, select Storage and tap Clear Cache. For iOS, you cannot clear cache on iOS. Instead, uninstall and reinstall the app. Fix 3. Using incognito slash private window. Incognito mode, open a private window by Control plus Shift plus N on Windows or pressing Command plus Shift plus N on Mac to bypass corrupted cookies. Fix 4. Switch internet networks. Open Settings. Swipe down Control Center iPhone or Quick Settings on Android. Now toggle Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi option and tap the toggle switch to turn it completely off. Next, verify cellular status. Look at the top corner of your screen to ensure the LTE, 5G, or 4G data icon appears. Now reload Ticketmaster. Open your browser or app and refresh the page to test the new network connection. Fix 5. Re-authenticate your login. Sign out. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the Ticketmaster screen and select Sign out. Now clear open sessions. Repeat the sign out step on your phone, tablet, computer, or any other device you previously used. Wait it out. Leave the website completely alone for a full 5 minutes to allow the backend server to clear your session history. Now log back in. Return to a single device, enter your password, and log back into your account. Fix 6. Reinstall mobile apps. First, delete the app. Press and hold the Ticketmaster app icon onto your home screen, then select the delete or uninstall option. Now hold your phone's power button down, choose the option to turn it off, and wait for 30 seconds. Then turn your phone back on to clear out any temporary cached memory data. Then open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Ticketmaster, and tap Install to download a clean version now. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.